Hey, yeah, my dad's invitation to the party got returned. Grandpa Hill, bitch, USA. But why'd you write this? You know your grandpa lives in damn...
Mom says he's the penis.
Peggy, how can you tell Bobby that?
I said evil, Hank. How you get devil from that is beyond me.
I don't want Grandpa at my party. The kids are already gonna hate me because you got the wrong kind of
Wait a minute. What's wrong with your grandpa? Oh, Dad, you crazy son of a bitch. You really outdid yourself this time.
You know me. I'm larger than life.
Where are eggs?
Your wife you.
Mr. Khan, I'll have a Mai Tai. What do you think? I work for Hank?
Whoa, a super squirter.
Now, for crying out loud.
Oh, good Lord, Cotton. You gave him a loaded shotgun?
Well, you don't give a toy without batteries. Come and get your Tootsie Rolls.
Oh, I'm so sorry your grandpa ruined your birthday, son.
He didn't ruin it. He made it fun.
Bobby, come on over here.